Good morning to all. Today I will discuss about chapter 9 ratio analysis. Today I will discuss about this chapter last method profitability ratio. So meaning profitability ratio helps to assess the profitability of business concern. This ratio also helps to analyze the earning capacity of the business in terms of utilization of resources employed in the business. Generally, this ratio are expressed as a percentage. The profitability ratio commonly used are gross profit ratio, operating cost ratio, operating profit ratio, net profit ratio, return on investment. First one, gross profit ratio. Gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by revenue from operation into 100. Gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by revenue from operation into 100. So calculation of gross profit is equal to revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operation. Second formula, operating cost ratio. Operating cost ratio is equal to operating cost divided by revenue from operation or sale into 100. Calculation of operating cost. Operating cost is equal to cost of revenue from operation plus operating expenses. Operating expenses including as employee benefit, salary or expenses, depreciation plus other expenses including office and administrative expenses, selling and distribution expenses. Same third formula, operating profit ratio. Operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit divided by revenue from operation into 100. Operating profit ratio is equal to 100% minus operating cost ratio, or operating profit ratio is equal to revenue from operation minus operating cost. Fourth formula, net profit ratio. Net profit ratio is equal to net profit after tax or net profit divided by revenue from operation or sale into 100. Net profit ratio is equal to net profit after tax divided by revenue from operation into 100. Net profit after tax, calculation of net profit after tax is equal to gross profit plus indirect income minus indirect expenses minus tax, or net profit after tax is equal to revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operation minus operating expenses minus non-operating expenses plus non-operating income minus tax. Last formula, return on investment. Return on investment is equal to net profit before interest and tax divided by capital employed into 100. Return on investment is equal to net profit before interest and tax divided by capital employed into 100. Next is sum number 13. Calculate gross profit from the following: revenue from operation value 2,50,000, cost of revenue from operation value rupees 2,10,000, and purchase value rupees 1,80,000. Calculate gross profit ratio. Gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by revenue from operation into 100. Gross profit is equal to calculation of gross profit. Gross profit is not given. Gross profit is equal to revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operation. Revenue from operation value 2,50,000 minus cost of revenue from operation value 2,10,000. 2,50,000 minus 2,10,000, rupees 40,000 gross profit value. Revenue from operation value also given. Gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit value 40,000, revenue from operation value 2,50,000 into 100. 2020 cancel, balance 2020 cancel, 400 divided by 25, balance 16%, 16%. Sum number 14. Following is the statement of profit and losses of Batma Limited for the year ended 31st March 2018. Calculate the operating cost ratio. Second form method, operating cost ratio. Particulars amount, revenue from operation 15 lakh, other income 40,000, total revenue is equal to 15 lakh 40,000. Fourth one, expenses. Purchase of stock in trade 8 lakh 60,000, change in inventory plus 40,000. Plus means the calculation value is add. So less means the calculation value less. Employee benefit expenses salary 1 lakh 60,000, other expenses 1 lakh 70,000. So total expenses value 12 lakh 30,000. Profit before tax means total revenue value 15 lakh 40,000. So total expenses 12 lakh 30,000. Balance 3 lakh 10,000. Notes to accounts. Particulars amount, other expenses, office and administrative expenses 50,000, selling and distribution expenses 90,000, loss on sale of furniture 30,000, total value 1 lakh 70,000. This sum calculation of operating cost ratio. Operating cost ratio is equal to operating cost divided by revenue from operation into 100. Operating cost ratio is equal to operating cost divided by revenue from operation into 100. So calculation of operating cost is equal to cost of revenue from operation plus operating expenses. This sum operating expenses is not given. Operating expenses and cost of revenue from expenses is also not given. Cost of revenue from operations equal to purchase in stock in trade plus change in inventory. This sum change in inventories value plus value. So plus means add change in inventories of stock. Purchase of stock in trade value 8 lakh 60,000. Change in inventories value 40,000. Total 9 lakh for cost of revenue from operation value. Operating expenses. Calculation of operating expenses equal to administrative expenses, selling and distribution expenses plus employee benefit expenses for this sum salary value. So administrative expenses value 50,000, selling and distribution expenses value 90,000, employee benefit expenses value 1 lakh 60,000, total operating expenses value 3 lakh. Operating cost value, cost of revenue from operation value 9 lakh plus operating expenses 3 lakh, total 12 lakh. Operating cost ratio is equal to 12 lakh for operating cost divided by revenue from operation value 15 lakh into 100, 80%. Sum number 15. Calculate operating profit ratio under the following cases. For this sum 3 cases. Case 1, revenue from operation rupees 8 lakh, operating profit value rupees 2 lakh. Case 2, revenue from operation value 20 lakh, operating cost value 14 lakh. Case 3, revenue from operation value rupees 10 lakh, gross profit 25% on revenue from operation, operating expenses value rupees 1 lakh. Case 1. So case 1, operating profit ratio. So operating profit ratio, calculation of this sum, calculation of operating profit ratio. Operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit divided by revenue from operation into 100. Case 1, revenue from operation and operating expenses value also given. Operating profit value 2 lakh, revenue from operation value 8 lakh into 100, total 25%. Case 2, operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit divided by revenue from operation into 100. So calculation of operating profit is equal to revenue from operation minus operating cost. Revenue from operation value 20 lakhs, operating cost value 14 lakhs, 20 lakhs minus 14 lakh, balance 6 lakh. Same operating profit divided by revenue from operation into 100. Operating profit value 6 lakh, revenue from operation value 20 lakh into 100, 30%. Case 3, Operating profit ratio. This three cases for operating profit ratio. Case 3, operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit divided by revenue from operation into 100. So operating profit is equal to gross profit minus operating expenses. This is some calculation of gross profit. Gross profit is equal to 25% of revenue from operation value. So revenue from operation value 10 lakh. 10 lakh into 25 by 100, 2 lakh 50,000. Operating profit is equal to, so gross profit value 2 lakh 50,000 minus operating expenses value 1 lakh, balance 1 lakh 50,000. Same operating profit value 1 lakh 50,000, revenue from operation value 10 lakh into 100, 15%. Sum number 16. From the following detail of a business concern, calculate net profit ratio. Revenue from operation rupees 9 lakh 60,000, cost of revenue from operation 5 lakh 50,000, office and administrative expenses 1 lakh 45,000, selling and distribution expenses 25,000. Calculation of net profit ratio. Net profit ratio is equal to net profit after tax divided by revenue from operation. Net profit ratio is equal to net profit after tax divided by revenue from operation into 100. So calculation of net profit. Net profit is equal to revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operation minus administrative expenses and selling expenses. So net profit is equal to revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operation minus administrative expenses minus selling expenses. So revenue from operation value 9 lakh 60,000, cost of revenue from operation value 5 lakh 50,000, administrative expenses value 1 lakh 45,000, selling expenses 25,000, balance 2 lakh 40,000. Net profit ratio is equal to net profit value 2 lakh 40,000, revenue from operation value 9 lakh 60,000 into 100, 25%. Sum number 17. From the following statement of profit and losses of Vignesh Limited, calculate gross profit ratio, net profit ratio. So sum particulars rupees, revenue from operation value 24 lakhs, other income, income from investment value 70,000, total revenue value 24 lakh 70,000. Expenses, purchase of stock in trade 18 lakh 80,000, change in inventories value for minus 80,000. Employee benefit expenses value 2 lakh 90,000, other expenses 1 lakh 10,000, provision for tax 30,000, total expenses 22 lakh 30,000. Profit for the year, balance 2 lakh 40,000. First one, calculation of gross profit ratio. Gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by revenue from operation into 100. Gross profit is equal to calculation of gross profit, revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operation. The cost of revenue from operation value also given. Cost of revenue from operation value not given means is equal to cost of revenue from operation is equal to purchase of stock in trade plus change in inventory. Purchase of stock in trade value 18 lakh 80,000 plus change in inventories value minus 80,000, plus into minus 18 lakh 80,000 minus 80,000, 18 lakh. Gross profit is equal to 24 lakh revenue from operation minus gross profit 18 lakh divided balance 6 lakh. 6 lakh divided by 24 lakh into 100, 25%. Second one, net profit ratio. Net profit ratio is equal to net profit after tax divided by revenue from operation into 100. This sum, net profit after tax value, this sum after tax value 2 lakh 40,000. Same 2 lakh 40,000 net profit after tax divided by revenue from operation value 24 lakh into 100, 10%. Next is sum number 18. From the following trading activities of Jones Limited, calculate gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, operating cost ratio, operating profit ratio. Particulars rupees, revenue from operation 4 lakh, other income, Income from investment 4 lakh 44,000. Total revenue 1 plus 2 4 lakh 4,000. Expenses purchase of stock in trade 2 lakh 10,000. Change in inventories 30,000. Finance cost 24,000. Other expenses administrative and selling 60,000. Total expenses value 3 lakh 24,000. 4 lakh 4,000 minus 3 lakh 24,000, 80,000 profit before tax. So first one, gross profit ratio. Gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by revenue from operation into 100. The sum gross profit value is not given. Calculation of gross profit. Gross profit is equal to revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operation. So cost of revenue from operation value is equal to purchase of stock plus change in inventories plus direct expenses. So purchase of stock value 2 lakh 10,000, change in inventories value 30,000, direct tax value no value, nil value, total cost of revenue from operation value 2 lakh 40,000. Gross profit is equal to revenue from operation value 4 lakh minus cost of revenue from operation value 2 lakh 40,000 less 1 lakh 60,000 rupees gross profit. Gross profit is equal to gross profit value 1 lakh 60,000, revenue from operation only 4 lakh into 100. This 2 0, this 2 0 cancel, balance 3 0 cancel, 160 divided by 4, 40% of net profit value. So net profit ratio is equal to net profit after tax divided by revenue from operation. This sum net profit after tax value for 80,000 rupees, net profit before tax is all net profit after tax value 80,000, revenue from operation value 4 lakh into 100, 20 cancel, 30 cancel, 80 divided by 4, 20%. So third formula, operating cost ratio. Operating cost ratio is equal to operating cost divided by revenue from operation into 100. Operating cost is equal to this sum operating cost value not given. Operating cost is equal to cost of revenue from operation plus operating expenses. Cost of revenue from operation, calculation of gross profit value 2 lakh 40,000 plus other operating expenses or other expenses value 60,000. 2 lakh 40 plus 60,000 3 lakh. Operating cost ratio is equal to operating cost value 3 lakh, revenue from operation value 4 lakh into 100, 75%. Fourth formula, operating profit ratio is equal to operating profit ratio divided by revenue from operation into 100. This sum operating profit value is not given. Operating profit is equal to revenue from operation minus operating costs. Revenue from operation value 4 lakh, operating cost value 3 lakh less 1 lakh. So operating cost value calculation of third step, operating ratio. Operating profit ratio is equal to 1 lakh operating profit value, revenue from operation value 4 lakh into 100, same 25%. Next, assignment 12. Sum number 1. From the following trading activities of Naveen Limited, calculate gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, operating cost ratio, operating profit ratio. Particulars rupees. Revenue from operation 20,000, other income from investment 200, so total 20,200 total revenue value. Fourth one, expenses. Purchase of stock in trade 17,000, change in inventories minus 1,000, finance cost 300, other expenses administration and selling expenses 2,400, total expenses for 18,700 rupees. Last one, profit before tax, total revenue 20,200 minus total expenses value 18,700, 1,500 rupees. Thank you for all.